This oil blend is expertly crafted to evoke the feelings of a hero's heart and maybe even take selfies in the bathroom. Hey, this is Lance McGowan with Essential Oils Me, and today we're going to be talking about the doTERRA Amavi Touch Essential Oil Blend, also known as the Fortifying Blend. And the primary use for this is topically, so if you can point to it, you can roll it on. The main benefits of the Amavi Touch is that it creates a unique fragrance experience, soothes skin, and calms the mind. It can also uplift and refocus your heart and mind as well. The directions for use are applying a few swipes on the bottoms of your feet, back of your neck, or palms of your hand, and then breathing in or enjoying the aromatherapy that comes from that because it goes straight into the limbic part of your brain, which controls your mood and emotions. And so breathing it in is the fastest way to positively uplift your mood. And then you can also add this to your skincare regimen after showering or throughout the day. And so what I like to do is use doTERRA's fractionated coconut oil on my skin after a shower to moisturize, and then I'll use something for my face routine, which I've done a video on, so you can check that out. And then I can apply some other essential oils depending on what my needs and goals are. Well, that concludes today's video. Make sure to hit the like button if you did, hit subscribe for future video updates if you haven't already done so, and make sure to check out the links in the description below so you can continue to get your learn on, and I'll see you in the next video.